Hey everyone, it's Jeff here at Opus IVS. Welcome back to the channel. I hope each and every one of you are doing well. On today's video, I want to talk to you guys about the Scan History tab here on the left-hand side of the home screen on the DriveSafe device. The Scan History tab is there for you guys to resend invoices and also scan reports without generating a double invoice. So just keep that in mind. If the vehicle that you're looking for cannot be found in the Scan History tab, you guys can also find your reports inside the Opus IVS portal, which we're going to talk about on another video. So let's go ahead and click that Scan History tab there on the left-hand side of the home screen. You can see here the scan history on the vehicles that were scanned with this particular tool in the last 6 days. So once you find the car that you're looking for, you can go and hit that Resend to CCC tab there on the right-hand side. Once you guys get the dates narrowed down with the start date and the end date, you want to click that refresh button there on the right-hand side to narrow down the results. Also, if you guys input a VIN number, you also want to click the refresh button there as well. That's going to do it for today's video. Thanks for watching, everybody. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. And until then, take care.